Hey guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we see how to create a chase game with Scratch. So we see how to create a character, how to make the character move around, how to make a character chase another character, and all these things. We see step by step in details, guys. It's gonna be a fun game, and we're gonna learn a lot of things today, guys. So alright guys, so let's get started, and think you know how to do it. So let's go to Google. So you go to Google, and from there you type Scratch MIT. Alright, Scratch MIT. It should be good here. Alright guys, you should arrive here. So while you're here, you click on Scratch MIT, the first link. It should bring you to this interface. This interface, you go to the left, click on Start Creating. Alright, so you should arrive here, you click on close. So you want to close all the pop-up windows, so we don't need them. But if you're new to this game, to this interface, that's the interface we're going to use, and you can start taking a look and see what can be first, to get you started. Alright guys. Alright, this is the character we have, so we're trying to make it move around. So to have it to move around, so we need to take a look at all of that. So this is the character, who it is. So this is where we're going to drop all the instruction we have here. So when you look at on the left, we have motions, we have looks, sound, if we want to make sound, events to interact with the character, control and sensing and so on. Alright guys, so first thing I like to do, I like to go to events. This is how every game starts, and we want to be able to move it all around. I mean, left, right, up and down. This is what we're trying to do. Okay, so let's do that. So we click on when space key is pressed, and when you click here, you see we can choose more or less whatever we want on the keyboard. All right. So let's say I want to go right. I'm going to do that. Click on right. And click here to have our character move right, and that's what's going to happen next. So we're going to click on right arrow, and it's going to move 10 steps. See what we want, and we're going to do the same thing for our left. We click on duplicate, and we pick left. When we click on left, it goes left, so that's not too good. We can do some sacrifice here. We can put something like minus. All right, let's try left, let's try right. It goes left and it goes right. It goes like it's going backward, so that's not the best thing to do, but yeah, we're getting there. All right, go back to events, click on duplicate. Now we want to go up. When I click on up, it's going right. I want to go down, and I click down, it goes right. Alright. So you have some tricks on that, so how to do things, and there is one of them. You need to go to motion, and to take a look at where it goes. So this is the instruction we're going to use, point interaction. If you want to go right, I need to use that. If I want to go left, I need to use that. There you go. And let me put like 10 here. Alright, so we have left and right. We see where we're going left. It's kind of back upside down, so we need to use another instruction one more time. Let me find it for you. It's called set rotation style. Let's give it a try now. He goes left, he goes right, he goes left, he goes right. Alright guys, so what do you think I need right now to have our character to move around? That would be nice. What do we need? So I think we do need the pointing direction. That's something we need. Pointing direction. We're gonna need that one. Let me put it here. To go up, I need to add that here. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh, that's good. Up. Put it back here. And now we need to go down. So I think we're gonna need the same instruction one more time. And we click on point in. We move the arrow to the bottom. Alright, go up, down, left, right, left, right. Alright guys, so it seems it's good to get started. Alright, before we keep going all of that guys, I think the cat is a bit big. Let's kind of change the size of it. So we need to go to events. You know I like to use that instruction. When you click on the green flag, I want to change the looks of it. So I want to change the size. I want to put it at like 70. There you go. When I click on the green flag, I need to change that 70. And I also want it to go there. See, we got the coordinates. So we need to go back to motion and go to. I put it there, go to. Alright guys, let's give it a good try. There you go. Let's do that. So I'm using the up left directional keypad on the keyboard to move in all directions. I can even put it at 60. There you go. Alright guys, so now this is what I need right now. I need to add another character guys. I need to have another character. What's the... I need to put... do I need to put... I want to be the bat character. I want a bat. I want the bat. Oh, the bat is big, guys. Alright, we're going to do the same thing when the green flag is clicked. The looks, I want the character to be downsized by like, I want it at like 60. Let's give it a try. Okay, cool. And I want the enemy, the character enemy, to be at the top right. I want it to be here. So for that, to motion and go to. And I want it to go to, after that I want it to glide to the cat, which is sprite 1. Let me change it for cat. Alright. It goes pretty fast. Okay. Okay, let me change it. Let me put it at like 3 seconds. Alright. You see, alright, let's try it one more time. It goes at its last known position. You see guys, it goes at its last known position. We might need to change all of that a little bit. You see, it does the thing only once, you know, from the top to the bottom. And it does it only once, so we might need to do that part a bit all the time. So for that, we need to go to control and do a forever loop. And let's see how it goes. So we try to escape. This is an escape game, guys. Let's try to do that. There you go. Alright, I need to escape. Oh, alright. So guys, you know, if you want to make it go a bit faster, this is something you can do as well by changing how fast it glides. You can stop that. Okay, let me put it back. You can stop. I didn't ask you to come. Something you can do is we can add some points to all of that. So go to variable, make a variable. I want to call it points. Okay, points. And if touching the cat, and we're gonna make some, you know, points for the bat. Okay, go back to events and if control if touching the cat, if sensing, we go to sensing, you go here, if touching cat, increase points. We need to go to variable and change my variable by 1, and we kind of wait for like 0.5 seconds or 1 second, because I think he's going to do like a lot. Okay, let me show you what's happening. Okay, it's not working, guys. I forgot to change that. Okay, points. Let's go back at it. Alright. Let me move a little bit. 2. Alright, guys. It's a bit slow. Generally put it at 2 seconds, so you're gonna have a game a bit that goes a bit faster. Alright, guys. Let me move around. Alright, 6 points. 7 points. Okay, guys. Trying to escape. Escape room. Alright. Alright, that's a good demonstration, guys. That's a funny game to do at home, you know. And you can have more things to it, you know, whatever cross your mind. To have the game a bit, have more fun during the game. Alright. Just add one more point, and that's about it, guys. Alright, guys, the game is finished. I hope you enjoyed the game, guys. If you did, please give it a like, guys. Don't forget to leave some comments, you know, on whatever you think, how the game was. If you have any suggestion about the future of the game, if you want to improve the game, don't forget to share the video, guys. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, that's all for today. See you for another tutorial, guys. Alright, take care of yourself. Bye bye.